children, welcome to the English grammar class. All of you open your English grammar worksheet, page number 12. Page number 12. See what is given here. We are going to do a different passage today. We are going to do a different passage, that is passage number 4. Read the question. First write the date 17 to 21. After writing the date, you have to look at the passage once. Passage 4. Look at the pictures given below. They tell a story. See, when you observe these pictures here, they are communicating something to us. You all know, I think. You can imagine a story. Yes, here what is there in the first picture? A dove is sitting on the tree and the ant is in the water. Yes, it is asking for help. What is the dove doing? It is throwing a leaf. The ant climbed on the leaf. Here, who is there? The hunter is aiming at the dove. The ant is biting his leg. And the dove flew away. Does this remind you of any story, children? Yes? Yes? Yes, it reminds of the ant and dove story, is it not? We have learnt it in our UKG, PP2. Now, the same thing we have to put the story in an order. Okay, here the sentences are given in a jumbled way. Here the sentences, the story is given in a jumbled way. We have to, put them in a proper manner by giving the numbers here. All the sentences here are not proper. They are in jumbled way. So, in the correct way, we have to give them the order. We have to give them 1, 2, 3. Which picture comes first? Here what is there? That should be given the first number. But here what it is written? What is in the first number here? A hunter came to the forest one day. Is it there here? No, so this is not the first number. He took aim at the dove with his guns. Even this is not the first number. The ant climbed onto the leaf and it carried her safely to the dry ground. No. The dove quickly plucked the leaf and dropped it into the water. No. One day an ant came to a stream to drink some water. Yes, this is the first number. So put a 1 in these brackets. The ant slipped and fell into the water. Yes, the ant slipped and fell into the water. Yes, you give 2 number. Now why I am giving the 2 number? Because when the ant comes to drink the water, then only it will fall in the water. That's why first number is given to this sentence. One day an ant came to a stream to drink some water. That is why I have given number 1. The ant slipped and fell into the water. I have given the number 2. Okay, now after this what happened? The dove flew away. No. The hunter lost his aim and threw his gun down. No. A dove sitting on a tree saw this. What is the dove seeing here? The ant slipped into the water. That is, the dove is watching that. Is it not? Where is the dove sitting? On the tree. So, this sentence, I will give 3rd number. Now, the ant bit the hunter on his leg. No. Now, what is the 4th sentence now? What can we do? Now, what is the dove doing? After seeing, what did it do? It threw a leaf. So, you find the sentence. Where is it here? The dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it into the water. So, I am giving number 4. So, okay. Now, after that, what happened now in this picture? The ant, what is the ant doing? It climbed onto the leaf. Is it not? Now, you have to find that sentence here. The ant climbed onto the leaf and it carried her safely to the dry ground. So, what number I should give now? Number 5. So, 5. Now, what is there in the next picture? Now you are seeing hunter and he is aiming at the dove. Now find a related sentence for it. Now, a hunter came to the forest one day. So this will be given 6 number. Now after coming to the forest, what is he doing? What is he doing? He saw the dove. Yes. So he is aiming it. Ante gun pattukoni itla chupistunadu. He is showing. He is aiming to the dove. He wants to shoot the dove. So the same sentence is here. He took aim at the dove with his guns. So this will be given 7 number. Okay, beta. Now after this, what happened? The ant bit the hunter on his leg. Now look at the 10th sentence. It is there here. The ant bit the hunter on his leg. Yes. This is there in the picture, Nana? Yes, the ant bit the hunter on his leg. So this should be given number 8. Now here, the hunter lost his aim. The hunter lost his aim and threw his gun down. Yes. See, when the ant bit, so what will happen? He will leave the gun, is it not? When the ant will bit, even when it will bit us also, we will leave whatever is there in our hand. So the hunter lost his aim. So what we will give? We will give number 9. Now what is the last one? The dove is also flying in the last picture, is it not? The dove is also flying, beta. So number 10. So like this, I have given numbers to form a story. These sentences are given to form a story. So we have just put them in an order to form a beautiful story. Okay. Bye for now and see you in the next class. Hope you all liked it.